Hi guys, I'm Life Sir. I like environment very much. That's why I was coming in my farmhouse. When I come, I see the works where planting guava, so I also help them in work. And it very fun to plant. I plant there coconut, custard apple, lemon tree, mango tree, tea grass. It is very necessity to give them water. All types of trees. In my farmhouse, I will request to all of you for planting plant because of pollination increasing day by day on earth. When we will plant trees, our earth will become green planet. I would like to plant trees on vast empty places. We would like here to save nature of our earth. I love tea. My dream is to plant many and many trees on earth. Please support me and like my video and subscribe to my channel Lifestyle. Now I have started from planting of 1000 trees in my farmhouse and on wasteland. I have decided to do that save our earth from water pollutions, air pollutions, land erosion. Some rivers of earth are very polluted. You know that aquatic life is destroyed from pollution. So, I requested to all guys, all my friends in the world. So all of you support to me and help the nature and save to our earth. My dream is that our earth become a green planet. So thank you. Bye bye.